disease patients in stage 5 of CKD are able to lower their creatinine by 10.3% just by taking this remedy for 3 months. This is the most powerful herbal remedy in the world. Gathered here, I've been helping people with kidney problems for almost 10 years now, and really a lot of them had incredible, unexpected results with one remedy. Well, unexpected to them. I knew very well that this remedy was going to help a lot. This remedy I want to talk about today is considered by many experts to be the most powerful herbal remedy on earth. Because while many doctors will tell you that it's not possible to improve your kidney function once you reach stage B or 4, there is some solid science to prove them wrong. In this study, stage 5 chronic kidney disease patients were able to recover an incredible 10% of their kidney function just by using this remedy for just 3 months. Yes, things have changed a lot in the last few years when it comes to treating kidney disease. Successes that were considered impossible, such as lowering creatinine levels and improving kidney function in people in stage 4 and 5 of kidney disease, have now been documented in medical literature. This is what today's video is gonna be all about. Today I will also share with you the complete recipe for the most powerful kidney healing tea in the world, according to most recent research. Very recent studies found out that combining the exact ingredients you see here can give you incredible results in terms of diabetic wounds healing. It can also help improve the glucose and lipid metabolic disorders. And most importantly, this recipe is similar to what they use to make CKD stage 5 patients recover 10.3% of their kidney function in just 3 months. So, question: what is the most powerful remedy for kidney problems? This remedy has a proven track record. It can lower blood pressure and improve heart function. It can lower blood sugar levels and treat diabetes. It can lower proteinuria, one of the most important markers of kidney damage. It restores kidney function in all the stages of kidney disease. It can make someone in stage 5 avoid dialysis for up to 2 years. This is Astragalus, one of the most powerful herbal remedies on earth. What you should know about Astragalus is that it is an adaptogen. And all adaptogens comes with many perks and some quirks. There is a little known side effect you should be aware of, so watch the whole video if you are planning to use it. And also, this herbal remedy can be made even more powerful when combined with certain other remedies that work in synergy with it. Yes, combining 2 or more natural remedies to get a healing effect that is not obtainable with just one remedy is exactly how herbal medicine works, according to science. Now, safety first. What should you be aware of when planning to take Astragalus? One of the main uses of Astragalus, especially for the general population, is to boost immunity, which is great unless you are a transplant receiver. So, keep that in mind. But Astragalus is still perfectly safe if taken the right way. It was tested in patients receiving the standard treatments for kidney disease in stage 4 and 5, and no interactions were observed. Question: what is the right way to take this remedy? When it comes to adaptogens like Astragalus, we have 2 alternatives. First, you can take it as an extract alone, or you can combine it to make a more powerful beverage, a concoction. Now, if you want to take Astragalus alone, buy the extract from a brand that certifies the amounts of polysaccharides in their supplements. This is key to get the kidney repairing benefits. If you are in the US or Europe, you will find this remedy easily on Amazon.com. I've added a link below in description to a couple of brands that meet all the requirements. Or even better, you can buy desiccated astragalus root and use it to make an incredibly powerful tea. Let's see now. How to make the tea? First ingredient is astragalus, which is incredibly powerful, but we can use some other adaptogenic herbs to make it even more powerful. In particular, this root you see here is called Rehmanniae glutinosa. It was tested in combination with astragalus both in CKD and in diabetic patients. The herbal targets the kidneys directly, so it is considered very useful, especially for improving the strength of the still working aspects of the kidney. And there's a study in particular in which this remedy was proven able to heal diabetic wounds, but only when combined with astragalus. Now, all these herbs are very easy to find because they are widely used in many parts of the world. A question before I'll show you the rest of the recipe. How can you find the herbal remedies I show you in my videos? When it comes to herbal remedies, I like shopping locally. It's always nice to support local businesses. The herbal shop I usually go to is also managed by a competent herbalist that can help me with my preparations and that can vouch for the freshness of the ingredients. But these ingredients can also be found on Amazon.com and on other herbal shops online. On my website, newhopeforkidneypatients.com, I'm maintaining an updated list of all the best supplements, herbs, and home remedies for people with kidney disease you can find online. Next ingredient to make astragalus extremely powerful against swelling, also use juniper berry. These berries you see here are a powerful stimulant for the kidneys and bladder. They will help flush out impurities and toxins and, according to research, they will directly increase the rate of kidney filtration. And according to recent research, these berries may also fight diabetes and help the heart by lowering bad cholesterol. Okay, one last ingredient. This is a powerful anti-inflammatory. We add this natural remedy because it blunts the effects of the inflammatory molecules and enzymes that lead to kidney disease, according to studies. CKD is an inflammatory condition, which means that we really want to take advantage of remedies that, just like this powder you see here, have anti-inflammatory properties. And this is probably the most powerful anti-inflammatory remedies in the world. It can directly slow down the progression of kidney disease. Yeah, you guys probably already know about the incredible benefits of turmeric for kidney health. Time now to see how to prepare a decoction out of these very powerful ingredients. Now I'll add everything except the turmeric to the mortar and make these remedies into small pieces so they can be used to make the tea.
Let's crush it.
To save time, you can also prepare all the herbs beforehand and store them already mixed in an airtight glass container. Okay, done! Let's put them here. So, this is the right quantity for 1 day or about 30 oz of water. That's a little bit less than a liter of water. First of all, these herbs need to soak in water for 2 to 4 hours before making the tea. Let's also add the turmeric and a pinch of pepper. This is needed for the turmeric to be bioavailable. This step can also be done the night before if you want to make the tea in the morning. Now they're ready to boil. When the water boils, reduce the heat and let simmer for 20 to 30 minutes. Strain. Allow the tea to cool and our kidney healing tea is ready. All of these ingredients are safe for 3 months or even more. Just don't forget to consult your doctor before trying any new remedy. And guys, if you want to know more about the most powerful remedies for kidney problems, in my video up here, I've talked about a simple household item that help a stage 5 patient avoiding dialysis. And this is all for today. Thank you for watching.